Hey friends, welcome back to the brand new episode of PC's recipe. My today's recipe is enchilada. For that we will require rajma, veggies and tortilla. So let's begin this recipe. For enchilada stuffing, here I have taken 1 cup of red bean, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 capsicum, spinach, frozen carrot and corn, grated garlic, grated ginger. In spices, we require salt, cumin seeds, red chili powder, white pepper powder, oregano, 2 tablespoons maida, cumin seeds and cheese. Olive oil, 2 teaspoons of sugar, tomato puree. Here I have taken 1.5 tomato, big tomato. Prepared tortilla. Here I have taken 5 tortilla. Zucchini, lemon juice. First of all, we will prepare enchilada sauce. For that, we will add olive oil. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now in this I will add 2 tablespoons of maida. In this I will add chili powder. And immediately we will add tomato puree. Now in this I will add salt. Here I have added half tablespoon of salt. In this we will add little bit of water. And then we will cover this and we will cook this for 5 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. Now let's check this sauce. This is done. Now in this I will add garlic, white pepper powder, oregano, and in the last we will add sugar. We have to add this sugar in the last only. The reason behind to add the sugar is if our tomato is sour, then it will balance in a sauce. Now we will transfer this in a bowl. Now we will add olive oil for a stuffing. Make sure whenever you are preparing any Mexican variety, you have to use olive oil only. I will add onion. Now we will add garlic, ginger, capsicum, zucchini, corn, carrot. Finally, red beans, rajma. Now we will cover this and we will let it cook for 15 minutes on a medium flame. On another side, we will roast tortilla. Now our veggies are cooked well. So in the last we will add spinach. You can skip this, it is not compulsory, but if you have then you can add this. Now in this we will add spices, chili powder, cumin powder, a very small amount of garam masala. Last we will add oregano and cheese. Just a small amount of cheese we have to add, just for the flavor. Now our stuffing is ready. Now we'll add lemon into this. Add this stuffing in tortilla. Our tortilla with filling is ready. First of all, this sauce will go. Now I am going to remove this. It was just for the balance. We'll cook this on a low flame. Now we will spread this sauce. Now we will spread cheese. Here I am adding slice of cheese. 2 slices. Now we will cover this and we will cook this for 5 to 7 minutes on a low flame. Let's check this. Let's serve this.